Hi, Poppy. Caffeine and BS for May 3rd, 2019. I just found out that I partially succeeded in my first goal of posting to YouTube. I want at a booth to fall out of his easy chair laughing at something I say. Well, our Stephen Lang of Shark River Machine said that he got a laugh from a couple of things in my videos. I try, I really do. And what else? Oh yeah. I entered Emma's spare room machine shop tool making competition 2019 for two reasons. One, have fun. Two, make a couple of friends. Well, I'm counting Emma and Stephen Lang as friends, so I'm having fun, so I'm succeeding all the way around. I'm batting 1,000. And hi, Cole. Are you sure you haven't fallen off the couch yet from laughing at me? That's my daughter-in-law, Nicole. I've been thinking next year's contest. Do I come back all vicious and out for blood? Or maybe I say, hey Emma, I had fun last year. Would you like me to help you judge? Think about it. It'd be an easy job. I just have to watch a couple of vids. And I have no problem finding good things to say, so. Anyway, I'm going to go now. Ooh. My next project I'm planning is PVC indexable collars for the hand wheels on my shear line, lathe and milling machine. Something small, but quite useful. Good night.